Best Confetti Canon Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular party poppers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes these party confetti cannons so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of different customers using these party poppers. The one that made our list is none other than the Legend & Co. large confetti cannons. Every set you get includes 5 12-inch cannons, which is packed to the brim with multi-color confetti. These air-powered cannons can blast the confetti up to 25 feet in the air. The materials used are biodegradable, so you know you can dispose of them properly. And these confetti cannons are specially designed to look sleek and cool, while the bright and fun colors only pop out when you use them. This is perfect for all your special events like weddings, graduations, and holidays. To check out the full specs of the Legend & Co. large confetti cannons and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/confetti canon. Here's a quick video of some of the customers using these cannons. So there you have it, the Legend & Co. large confetti cannons. Considering its ease of use, how high they go and how colorful the confetti are, and that the confetti are biodegradable, we feel that these set of cannons are the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Legend & Co. large confetti cannons and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/confetti canon. Alright, thank you for watching.